Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious clam chowder. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. You'll need fresh or canned clams, hearty potatoes, and some savory bacon. For that classic creamy texture, heavy cream is key. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables like finely diced onions and celery, which build the foundation of flavor. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start building that incredible flavor. Begin by rendering your bacon in a large pot until it's wonderfully crispy, then remove it and set it aside for later. Next, in the same pot, sauté your diced onions and celery in the flavorful bacon fat until they are soft and translucent. Stir in some flour to create a roux, then deglaze the pot with clam juice, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. With your flavorful base ready, it's time to add the diced potatoes and the remaining clam juice to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer and cook until the potatoes are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked, carefully stir in your prepared clams and the heavy cream. Remember not to overcook the clams, as they can become tough. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your homemade clam chowder. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adding a sprinkle of fresh parsley for brightness. Ladle your warm, comforting chowder into bowls, garnishing each serving with the crispy bacon you set aside earlier and a handful of oyster crackers. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, restaurant-quality clam chowder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.